Hey, it's Tim. Hey, we got a 02 Rx300 3.0. We're doing the radiator. Already drained it. Off underneath. First thing you're gonna want to do, let's take this off right here. This little plastic. Got one, two little screws right here, these little push ends right here. This one's missing one right there. We're gonna pull that off, and then we're gonna do a few other things. I'll show you. Pull some of these off right there. These gonna all break on me. Your access. You get the 10 millimeters, or this might be a 12. Let's see. Yeah, these are 12s. Get your 12s here, and you're gonna want to take your fan, electric fan off. Got 1, 2, 3 8 millimeters, and you have some on the bottom. I'll show you. And you also got a little bar in the middle. You're gonna take it off too. This bar in the middle, one there, and one up here. Well, you wait till you get it loose so you can get to those. So it'll make it easier on you. But you gotta do that so you can pull it, because you're gonna be pulling. You don't have to take the fan all the way out. Just push it. But you gotta get this bar all the way so you can push the fan out of the way. Pull these right off here. Just set them up here, or wherever you want to set them. Alright, now we're going to get these 8 millimeters off here. We're going to take the top hose off. We're going to get this one right here, and I'll show you how to get the go to the bottom here in just a second. Top one. Alright, up underneath you get your radiator fan switch. That's what you have to just push this in right here and unplug it. You got 110 there, and right there, and of course under your bottom hose, and try to get this bottom bracket if you can get to it. I got it moved. Let's see, it might be enough to move back. We're gonna check and see. And this one don't have a trans cooler, so it's just looped. Alright, so all you do is loop the new one. Alright, let's get these off. Alright, I got all 3 of the bolts out. Just used a, 10 millimeter. Got them out there. No big deal on that. I'm gonna do this bottom hose. I'm gonna go up top and see if I can get this out. And then that should be about it. So let's see if I can get this bar out of the way, because you want to push this fan out of your way. Alright, I went ahead and pulled it from the top. Just undo your condenser a little bit right here. Make sure you undo your fan switches, and you can pull it out from the top. Just be careful. But I'm gonna go ahead and undo this bracket, so when I slide it in, it's gonna be a little bit easier. So I don't have to risk. I can kind of move the fan a little bit that way, and then I'll just slide it up underneath and hook it back when I get the new one, just so I got more room. But take that off whenever you get this off. It'll just allow you more room. A little 10mm down there, but you can pull it up from the top, and especially you're not really worried about hurting the radiator because you're going to be replacing it anyway. So and always make sure you transfer everything from the old one to the new one. Alright, fan on. Pretty self-explanatory. Now you will have a I think that's an Allen head. I'll find out what's that in a second. Which I have 3/4. Got to take out the radiator fan switch. Alright, that's an 8mm Allen. Got to plug out. Doing it. Line the fan up. Okay, just slide your new one in there. Slide it down without that bar in the middle. You can just slide it down in there from the top. It'll slide right in there. But you got your bits here and here. Make sure at the bottom of it. Make sure at the bottom of it is okay. And the slots. Once you can determine if they are in there, then you are about done. Do your radiator right there. Those are 12s. These are 10s. That's for your condenser. I just kind of undo this one and this one right here, just to kind of give me a little bit more room when you pull it out and put it in. Your overflow tube back up. Well, here, let's set that to the side. Let's put this top hose on here. So we're gonna get that clamp to move a little bit. Then I'm gonna go underneath. Don't forget to plug up your overflow. And don't forget to plug your fans back up. Alright. Hold on underneath. Push it all the way to the end. Make sure you get your clamp like that. And I'll try to do this in one hand. Let's see how it works out. Well, we're not gonna be able to. Well, there we go. We got it on there. Make sure you have everything on here. Everything's tight. Make sure you put your hoses back up that you undid. Here, just kind of put them nice and neat right there, just so they don't just ain't all in the way everywhere. And I'll wait to put up the splash shield until I get done, just in case there's, you know, you never know, you might get a you could get a faulty radiator, you know. They might have banged it around on the FedEx truck and now it leaks, so you never know. So best thing to do is don't put every single thing together until you get it running, filled up. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, heater works great. Staying at normal temperature. No air in it. No leaks. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.